hungry? Do you want to open some Shopkins? There's milk in there. Alright, so we're at the Moose office here in LA, and look, we got Ava, baby Adam, and some balloons. Oh, hey, and there's Paul. Hey! Hi, Alex! Aww.
We're closed today.
Oh man, we're all here.
No kids allowed in here.
Don't destroy the balloons. Yep.
Children allowed behind these doors? I don't know.
Oh.
Well, I tell you what, you will be the first kids to go behind these doors to see what's behind them. So you are very lucky. But we do need somebody. I think I'm going to get you to put your handprint on here to see if they're going to allow kids to come in. So this is a security test. You just put your hand on there and we'll see if the door's going to open.
I don't know.
Have you been checked by security? Not recognized.
Oh no.
Let's see if we can get one of the adults. It looks like there's an intruder. Security's going to come. Alright, we're going to need an adult here, I think, now.
Yeah.
Sandra? Quickly, hang on.
I don't know.
You could put your hand on there.
I did try to rig the system earlier.
Processing.
Complete.
Okay. Please.
Yes.
Yes! Special.
See what's inside behind the door. Ready? Whoa.
Oh, it's the coolest place ever.
Welcome to the new.
Hey. Whoa. I know, thank you.
Hang on. That's it. Hang on.
Oh, look at the moose.
We're in space. I thought we were going to go look at some toys. Hang on, is it in here? Hang on, we'll see if it's in here. Oh, no, the shopping's having a shower. Not in there. I don't think it's in here. Let's come back in here.
That's so cute. Ooh, yes. Oh my gosh. Ooh. Yeah, see, they know, they live here. They know all the secrets.
You want to split up?
Hey, do you love it? Wow. Hey, Ava. Hey, wait. What's your favorite? Cutie cars? Want to look at all the cutie cars? That's all my favorites. Look, best playset ever. Oh, look, you can color change. Wait. Let's do. Okay, hot. Yeah, try it. That is so cool.
These look like they're color changing.
Yes. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah, print and cold. Oh, yay! That's like my favorite. That is so cool. We're gonna wait. We're gonna see all the. Oh, hey, you guys have a big box too. A giant door. That's cute. Hey, Alex, what do you like most? Yeah, they're cute. Look at this. Look at all the cars. These are my favorites. No, I'm missing 4.
This one's cool. Do you have that one?
I think I have that one. I'm missing this one.
Okay.
And
Oh, you want to stand? You can't stand here. You can't stand there. Which one are you missing?
maybe.
I love these 3-wheel cars.
Yes,
they're
they're cool.
really cool.
I think I am missing that one. Maybe it's this one and this one I'm missing. I'm missing 2 regular and 2 limited editions. Those are cool. Oh, that's cool. These are like season. Some of these are season 4. Yeah, those are like limited edition-y ones. Look. Oh, that's so cool.
Yeah, here's the pinky one.
Yeah, that's
these
so
like
cute.
fuzzy?
Yeah, the fuzzy. They're like
Wow.
little baby ones.
So they're die cast.
Yeah,
I don't know
that's
how you
cool.
make that.
Secret doors. I'm like, is the bathroom really a bathroom? I don't know. It's probably a toy room. Oh. Wait. I feel like if you grab a special book, it will like move or something.
Yes, maybe. I don't know. You should try.
Okay, hey, wait. Grab something, guys. Maybe the head
Wait, see.
or... Oh, what? Watch out, watch out, watch out! Oh my gosh, hey! Man, how long were you trapped in here? You saved him. He's like, oh.
I had some assistance.
Oh, cool. Yes, the Treasure X. This is Alex's favorite toy.
Actually,
So wait, is this your favorite?
now I like them really well.
Oh, the rad robots are very cool too.
Superhero one.
A 3.
Oh, wait. You gotta use your muscles.
Wait a second. Hold on.
Okay, yeah, he's
Let's
got
see if I
it.
can do it.
Hudson's got
Oh,
it.
Hudson's got it. Go ahead.
You know what you're doing.
Everyone being able to.
Okay, we all gotta work on it. Okay, here, let Mike do it.
Should I try it?
Here, we'll let Mike try.
Wait, hold on.
Golden beans are super rare, so hold
I'll
on.
never see one.
Pick me pops.
Wait, is it?
That's my guess. I don't know. I don't think I'm right. I just guessed. I just
What are some guesses? What did you say, Sarah?
pick me pops.
Pick me pops? Yes. Anybody else? No luck.
Oh, sounds like you got it. Hey, come on. Let's see. Do you want to see some pets? Nice. Aww.
There's Raffles in here.
Oh, cool. Oh, and the Raffles. Oh, we already found some pets. Do you love it? Oops. Here we go. You got it, buddy. There we go. So these are like super cute. These chicks are actually my favorite ones. Should we turn it on?
Okay, so over here. Has anybody seen
Here we go.
And the cool thing about the Raffles is they're actually a slap band. And if you hold it, there's a trick. The Velcro piece right here, you hit it on your wrist. You ready? And then the Raffle will talk to you. His eyes will light up and tell you his mood. So if they're green, he's really happy. If they're red, that means he's really cranky. And if you hold him upside down and you give him a little rock, he'll actually go to sleep and snore. So you guys want to come try? That's the trick. See if you can do the Raffles trick too, where you hit it. So you just hit.
Do you want to try it? Okay, you got it? Okay, so try it. So wait, hold it, wait. Oh, there, wait, hold it, straighten it out. So she said where the Velcro is, so hold it like this. So animal here, and then here, hit it right on this part on your arm, okay?
Yeah.
So wait, so hold it like this, and then hit your arm right there. Try it.
Is it not on? Let's see.
Ah, see, you got it, yay!
That's cool.
He's like doing his happy dance. Oh, hey, wait, look. Did you see the puppies? Should we turn their little puppies on? Let's see. Oh, here we go. Here it is. Right here. Arf, arf. Oh my gosh. Aww. Do you love the puppies? That's the cutest thing ever. And then, oh, the little live pets rolly is cute. We'll go over there.
Yeah.
That was no bad.
Let's get change with that.
Oh, those are so cute. I love Rolly.
Just as lovable.
Aww. You can give him a toy. Here we go. Get a toy. Aww. Oh my gosh. That's so cute. Do you want a puppy now? You get a Mickey Mouse? Those are so cute.
Babies are way more squishy.
There you go. They got Snufflehouse. This soap actually smells amazing. The soap they use for it. They use like a lavender soap to like unscruff it. Place. We don't know where we're going. Maybe left.
Left.
Okay. Oh, Shopkins. They're here. A giant.
I want one of these.
Oh, that would actually be really cool.
Just so you guys know, hands are on.
Anyone in there? Do you want to do it again? Okay. Hey, just be like, surprise! Okay. Hey, where did you go?
Surprise!
It's cute.
So where is the assistant? Is she in the diner box? Is she in the dairy box? Or is she in the breakfast ride with John? All right, assistant, come on out. Let's see where you're at. You got it right.
Okay, so we're going to check out the Disney Doorables here. So here's the giant door that we kind of filmed with earlier. Ta-da! And actually, wait, oopsie. Let's check out some of the characters. Oh, we got like Lilo and Stitch, the Beast, Pinocchio, Anna, Rapunzel. Oh, it's Zootopia. I forgot they had that. That's so cool. I love Moana. Oh, Peter Pan. Mike Wazowski. He's like my favorite one.